Maintenance required light is on. We want to remove that on this 2007 Toyota Corolla. Here's the maintenance required light that is on. We want to clear it after doing the oil change that we've done today. We have the odometer reading right here. We're going to leave it in that mode, odometer reading mode, and I'm going to hold the button here, the button for setting the trip. Well, we're just going to hold that in just a second here. I'm going to adjust my camera. And what I'm going to do is go down to the ignition. The ignition key is in the on position right now. So when I start holding that, I want to turn it to the off position and then turn it back on immediately. At that point, we want to look at the gauge here, or the reading, and we want to see little dashes go across until they're no longer there. They'll go from the left to the right. And once that happens, then our maintenance required light here should be off. So let's try that. Holding the button, key going to the off position, back to the on position. Dash is going across. All right, let's see. Light is off. All right, so you have to do that fast, like you saw, and it should, remove that light. Thanks for watching the video. Until next time, have a nice day. Take care.